Here's exactly what I would tell my friends if I was helping them get started on Pinterest today. So before we get started, I'm Press Rogers and I help online businesses like yours get started with Pinterest. So the first thing I would do is have them decide what their goal is for Pinterest. This is so we can make sure that what they're trying to do makes sense for that platform. Pinterest isn't like social media platforms, it is a search engine, so you want to make sure that you use it the correct way. Once we decide that Pinterest is a good platform for them to use, then we're going to do our keyword research so we can optimize our account. Like I already mentioned, Pinterest is a search engine, so you want to make sure that you do your keywords so that your content can be found. So after we have found our keywords, then we can set up our account and create boards. So you want to create 10 to 15 boards around your content that you are creating, that you're putting out there, that you're going to be pinning onto Pinterest. Do not just pin your content to one board and do not just create one board. This is also when you want to go in and optimize your bio, optimize your profile name, all that good stuff that will include the keywords that you researched. So we know our goal, we've done our keyword research, we've set up our account. Now we can start pinning, right? Kinda. Before you jump straight into the pinning, make sure all the rest of your ducks are in a row, meaning that your funnels are correct and set up. So if you have people going to a free offer, make sure your email sequence is set up and things like that. Once you know that everything off the platform is good to go, then you can start pinning. You can go into Canva, create some really aesthetically pleasing pins, put them on the platform, and start your Pinterest marketing journey. That's the basic steps to get started today. If you have any questions, if I can find the sun, leave them below.